Welcome or welcome back to my little creative corner of the internet. Today we transform a wooden drawing hand into a witchy aesthetic room decor item, where you can store your rings and jewelry on. We will need a wooden drawing hand. I got mine from IKEA. And I got a piece of wood to try out my technique before starting on the original hand. Then we will need a soldering iron to burn the design into the wood. Here I tried 2 different methods before starting to create the designs. I preferred the dotted lines over the ones where I tried to make normal lines because they turned out a bit too chunky for my liking, and I didn't have a smaller tip for my soldering iron, so I will go with the dotted lines look for the complete hand. I didn't really want it to wing it, so I sketched out my design beforehand on the hand. So much hands here. I did create a star design on the inside of the hand and a moon shape on the outside, and then added a bunch of sparkles to the fingers, as well as a dotted pattern to the bottom of the stand, but you're completely free in your design process. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little fast DIY project. If you did, a thumbs up would make me really happy, and if you want to join me on my creative journey, hit the subscribe button down below.